The term Mezzaluna, also known as half moons, are a type of filled pasta, and in this recipe it's filled with roasted aubergine. Here's how you do it. Now, for a recipe of 4, start with prickling 2 medium aubergines or brinjals with a paring knife and then wrap it in aluminium foil to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, or until basically it's soft when touched with a paring knife. Now, after it's baked, allow it to cool and then slice the heads off. Squeeze all of them into a colander to remove any excess fluids. The skins are perfectly fine to be included, and in fact they'll add more fiber to your final dish. Drain the excess fluids away from the aubergine and then chop it up by hand or just blend it with a food processor to form a cohesive paste. Season with salt and black pepper, stir and set aside. Roll out a thin sheet of fresh pasta, set 1 inch apart, place 1 teaspoon of filling into the center of the pasta. Fold the bottom up to the tops and slowly squeeze out all the air to form a tight seal between the 2 layers. Using a round pastry cutter, cut out the half moons by using only the top half of the pastry cutter to form the half moons. Boil them in salted water, and when they float, they are done. Dress them with some homemade tomato sauce, some parsley, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And there you go, homemade mezzalunas from scratch. Let me know if you like the videos, give them a like, leave a comment, and do share this with your other foodie friends. Ciao!